everybody, it's Jeff again with AZ Camera Reviews, and today I'm going to be talking about the Sedhoom. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's Sedhoom multi-function food spiralizer. Now, I had gone to a class a few years ago from this restaurant called 24 Carat here in town, which is an organic restaurant, vegan restaurant. And I saw her use one of these contraptions. And there's a better shot of it. And I saw the way you can slice stuff up and you can make like zucchini into spaghetti and stuff like that. So I figured, you know what? I'm gonna buy one and let my wife try it out. So I'm gonna show you what's in the box, and then we'll go over to Nizma and we'll let her demonstrate it. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the box, and you can see it says Sedhoom. And let's pull it out and see what we've got. So, first thing you see is there's a little book, and it looks like on the back of the book it tells you about all the different parts and how to use it. It's written in English and in Chinese. So let's put that aside and see what's in here. So there's a handle, and it's really cool. It's kind of compact. I'll put this plastic in here, and you've got all your blades down in the base, and it looks like this thing flips down, and then this moves along this little track like so, and then there's this handle, and the handle goes on the back of this spiked gadget. So let's try putting the handle on. Okay, I'm not much of a kitchen guy, so please bear with me. And this handle will screw onto this. There we go, like so. And now, I guess what you do is you put whatever you want to shred or you slice in between here and here, and then you put it into the position you want, and then there's a little lock position on here, and you lock it, okay, and you turn the handle, and I guess you change the blades over here, and that's how you spiralize stuff. But like I said, I don't know much about how these things work, so I'm going to turn that over to my wife and let her show you. Nizma's now going to show you how to use the spiralizer, but before you start using the spiralizer, you have to stabilize it on the counter so it doesn't move around while you're doing it. So on the bottom of the spiralizer, there's 2 suction cups in the front, and there's 1 suction cup in the back. And by twisting that handle, what it does is it increases the suction on this back suction cup. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to stabilize it. So Nizma's going to stick it down to the counter, and she's going to hold down on with one hand, and then she's going to pull the suction clamp up. So now it's stabilized. Now it's good and steady. Now the next thing Niz has to do is go into the drawer and pick out which blade she wants to use.
We have the 4 sides.
4 sizes.
Yeah, like this. I think I use this one.
Okay. And the first thing you have to do is remove that blank. So that comes out first. And now you have to stick the other one in.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Now, what we're going to do is take and put,
Yeah, like this.
yes, that moves back and forth.
And they have a lock.
And there's a lock,
Yeah.
but there's also a handle there that you hold on to while you're turning with the other hand.
Maybe I think we have to cut a little bit.
Yes, I think maybe she needs to cut it down a little bit.
Too long.
Why don't you cut it in half, Nizma, and that way it'll be easier for you. There you go. That'll make it a little more manageable. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to center it. You want to center the carrot on that. And you want it to be level. There you go. So what you want to do is bring this up, pull that back a little bit. Okay, and put this in the middle. Is that in the middle now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And now you want to push it. You want to push it onto that spindle. Push it on hard onto that spindle. There you go. There you go. Now what you want to do is hold your hand on this and turn with the other hand.
You have it
Yeah,
like
like that. But you need to push it onto the spindle. And that's how it works. So, is that pretty simple, or what do you think?
Yeah, it's easy.
And show them what the spirals look like, Niz. Pick them up and show them what it looks like. So there you go. That's how the spiralizer works. Until next time, this is Jeff and Nizma for AZ Camera Reviews. Please watch us. Please like us. Please share us. And most of all, please subscribe. Bye-bye.